1995 Ford F-800 dump bed with a Cummins 8.3 liter. Motor sounds great, only 33,000 miles in amazing conditions. Listen to this engine. AC is full. Tires look good. Look at that engine. .3 liter. Look at the conditions of that cab. It's a heel dump bed. Amazing. Started right up. The battery's good. I'm going to show you the inside now. The interior is really nice. Nice dash. Nice steering wheel. Cold AC. That's where the money's at right there. 33,552 original miles. This one has an hour meter. 2409. Look at those pedals. Very nice. You don't come by these anymore like this. Good luck.